it because this is a holy, is a Muslim of mosque. We don't have other place. We run away in location. We don't have in this town lodge. So where we go? We don't know where we go now.
My sister, for me, I'm refugee. I don't have anything. I don't have any. What about to keep to ourselves? You know, I am come to around this time in the shop. Where I'm going? This also is mosque and this gate. Where I'm going? Why you push this one also? He pulled the police this time.
Are you going to stay here?
I am staying in the mosque now. I am run where I'm going. I am run.
We left our property.
I am run in the town.
Are you also staying in the house?
No, I'm not. I came from location. I take my steps there on the street, and I wanted to defend my property, and they chase us, and those people still they are there. So we don't have other life. Our child is here inside the rooms, and then we run it. We don't know even where is our child.
Feels like you're constantly running.
We are not anywhere. We don't think even if we are staying in what we call a country, we have a government. We don't call this a government. Where is our child? We don't know. Where is our property? We don't know. You see, we are just surrounding here since yesterday. Other people, they run away, even they don't know where are they. They take their phones. We don't have even to call. There's no contact that we can call it our friends. You see, we are not feeling comfortable. We are human beings like us. They are there. They come from, we ran from location and they came here in the town looking for us. For what reason?
What do you want?
Are you feeling very hunted?
This is the last room.
Seriously.
I'm serious.
Seriously.
Absolutely.
Seriously. South Africa, we can't say there's a government. We can't say there's a government South Africa.
Yes.
What do you want to say to the
We came here to look for better life and what we ran for the conflict in our country, and then we came other classes. Where can we stay now? Where is the government? They're just talking from TV, and the people are just harassing us in the home. We came from the location up to here. Where can we stay now? Where can we go?
Where you go?
Where can we go now? Anywhere. Where is our child? Where is our child?
Are you prepared to defend yourself?